In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of the charts in Ctrader. Changing your chart background is a simple tweak that can make a big difference to your visibility, comfort, and focus. Whether you prefer a bright workspace or a darker look for long sessions, you can adjust it in just a few clicks. Let's go step by step so you can follow along smoothly. First, open your browser and head to the official Ctrader website. Starting from the main site helps you get to the right place quickly and ensures you're using the correct platform. If you use Ctrader often, consider bookmarking the site so it's easy to return to later. Next, log into your Ctrader account. Use the same credentials you normally use and sign in securely on the official login page. If you have extra security enabled, complete that as usual. Once you're in, you'll see your trading workspace with your charts in the center. Now, look at the chart you want to customize and right-click directly on the chart area in the middle. This brings up a context menu with options that relate specifically to the chart you're viewing. If you're on a device without a right-click button, you can use a two-finger click on a trackpad or a control click on some systems to open the same menu. The key is to open the chart's context options. From that menu, click on Color Options. This is where Ctrader groups all the appearance settings for your chart. You don't need to leave your current view. Everything you need is right there. Inside Color Options, click on Background. This focuses the settings on the exact part of the chart we want to change, so you can adjust the backdrop without affecting other elements you're not ready to modify. Now choose the color of your chart. You'll see a palette and, depending on your version, you may be able to select from preset swatches or fine-tune a custom color. Pick a shade that gives you good contrast with your candles, grid lines, and indicators. For example, a lighter background can make dark candles and text stand out, while a darker background may reduce eye strain in low light. As you select a color, you'll see the change apply immediately, so you can quickly try a few options and settle on what feels best. If you ever want to revert, just return to the same background setting and pick your previous color. That's all there is to it. You've changed the chart background in Ctrader, creating a view that supports your style and clarity. Thanks for watching and enjoy your customized workspace.